Bubbles from Trailer Park Boys and Carl from Jimmy Neutron.
All right, Carl. Says here you're applying for an astronaut position. I really want to work for NASA. Okay, then. Do you know your fucking space words? I know how to say, Houston, we don't have a problem. What kind of space experience have you got? Well, I've ridden llamas in space in my dreams. Okay. Well, you know, working for NASA is a little more complicated than playing with fucking llamas. Wait, there's no llamas in space? What? Why am I even here? Well, there's the moon, and there's Jupiter, and Saturn. Don't forget about fucking Uranus. Are there llamas on Uranus? Oh, fuck. Well, we'll call you. What do you know? I've seen you before. All you do is play space in the road. Oh, yeah. That was a long fucking time ago. Why don't you get the fuck out of my office?